Hi, in this video we're doing example 4 in section 3.3. And what I have here, so here's 3.3 example 4, but I want you to look at this picture first. This is a picture of A union B in green. Remember that union means we're coloring in all of it. So think for a second what this yellow part would be. See if you can sort of imagine, okay, if this is A union B here, then what's this stuff out here, outside of them? So outside of both circles is A union B complement. It's everything that's not in A union B. It's the yellow colored part. And we're going to use that idea in our next part of the textbook. So the problem we're trying to find in example 4 is A union B complement union C, and then we'll translate it into words. So we just found A union B complement. It's everything not colored in dark green. It's this yellow part. Now to find that unioned with C, we have to figure out what C is. So I've colored C in light green here for you. And now what we have to do is we're taking the union. So we have to color in all of that. So that means we're going to take everything that we colored in yellow here with all of set C. And what's that going to look like? Find A union B complement union C. It's all of this colored in area, the yellow colored in area with the green colored in area is our final answer. So in order to write down that answer, we have to actually list all of these numbers in any colored in space. So 1 is there, 2 is there, not 3, it's not in the colored in space. And we keep going, not 4, but 5 is there, not 6. But 7 is in there. And just skipping ahead a little bit, it's a long list, 21, 84, and 28 are also in our union, even though they were part of that A and union B that we took out before. Since they're in C, we're going to include them. So the tricky thing with union is that union unites everything. So we have to include every part of what we colored in. And it should end up giving us a long list. If you do union and don't get a long list, you probably did something wrong. It should be bigger than the previous list because it has everything in it. Now let's talk about how to do this algorithmically instead of with the pictures, or in addition to the pictures. So to do it algorithmically, first we start always, the order of operations is to do what's inside parentheses first. So we list A union B, and we just list them. Those are anything that's either a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 4. We list it all there. And now we get the complement of that. That's this, which is everything we did not list here. So 1, 2, right? Not 3, not 4, 5, not 6. 6 is in this list, etc. And we keep listing every number that we've got except for these. And then finally, we're going to find the union of that answer. So we list that answer, we list all the elements in set C. C is multiples of 7. So 7, 21, 28, and 84 are all in C. And now we list them all. And we end up with this giant long list that has all of this stuff in it with all of C in it as well. We've just put both sets together. In words, these numbers are not multiples of 3 or 4. Or they are multiples of 7. So notice I only said one not because there's only one not. That's the blue little complement symbol. I only say not once. And then I say or because that's or inside here. And then I say or again because that's or outside here. Anytime you see union, it translates to or. And the key things to remember is really that the union symbol tells us that we have to find all of something with all of something else. All right, in the next and last video, we're going to look at De Morgan's laws with this example here and one more example.